In this video, I'll be showing you how to use voice chat in Arc Raiders. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you want to talk with people that are in your party for a mission. It can be very good having that sort of communication. So if you want to use voice chat, what you got to do is go to your settings. So I'm going to go to mine right now. I want to go to the audio tab. Now, once you're in the audio tab, scroll down and you're going to see voice chat. You want to make sure it's enabled. If you're on PC, you're going to see like the input and output device. Change your input device to whatever you want. So for example, mine is going to be voice chat mic, and then change your output device to whatever you want as well. If you want push to talk on, you can have that as well. Or if you want an open microphone where your microphone's always going to be on, you could also do that as well. And then set your push to talk keybind if you want to, use push to talk. So it's up to you how you want to do it, or if you want proximity chat to have a different sort of thing. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out our other Arc Raiders videos that we've been posting on the channel.